Um, Hello, students. Welcome to today's session. Every time I start my session with the content at back, but today I thought that let me interact with you in a new mode where we are having direct interaction. I hope you will like it. So welcome to today's session. And yes, we have been discussing about the Mughal Empire all through. It has been great interacting with you and the online sessions that are going on. In those online sessions, your questions are most welcome. And I feel really good when I understand that you all have gone through the video properly, and now you have the queries. Never hesitate in asking questions. You can ask me anything that you feel like, because history, many a times people say it's a very boring subject. It's not like that, children. You find it interesting when you read it in the form of a story. So consider it as a type of high type of a story, and I think you will really love it, the history. Maybe possible that right now you are not liking it, but in the coming days you really like it. So I will be just giving you an overview of the topics that we have done till now. Um, first we have understood about the introduction part, that how the Mughals had come to India. They have ruled over a vast continent in a very different manner. Now, the continent, I mean, they did not limit themselves only to India. They have been to different parts of Asia. That's why it is called as subcontinent. So, the places that they have gone, the places that they have won, we will be discussing about all that right from the very beginning to the very last. We need to understand the Mughal Empire because they are the ones who have established themselves in a very proper manner. I mean, coming to a new nation and sharing their culture, their customs, their traditions with the Indians. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इफ आई एक्सप्लेन, इतना घुल मिल गए कि आज पता नहीं चलता है दैट हु इज अ मुस्लिम एंड हु इज अ हिंदू. Got it, children? This is what I wanted to explain. When they had come to India, they loved the Indian culture. Lot of customs and traditions they had, which they came and they shared with the Indians. Even the Indians also liked it a lot, and that's how the changes had happened. Okay, so the Indian subcontinent, they have come, they have understood the diversity, the people, the culture, and they created such a big empire, which once upon a time was very impossible. Everybody cannot think of that, but they have really achieved the unachievable. People only keep thinking about such things, but ये अचीव करके भी इन्होंने बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पे अपने आप को स्टैब्लिश किया. हाउ डिड दे डू इट, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट इन डिटेल. बहुत सारी टॉपिक्स में मैंने आपको, आई हैव इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द वे दे हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड द वे दे हैव रूल्ड. ओके, the first of their victory that was there, that was in Delhi, where they defeated the Babur. Babur is the person who have established the Mughal dynasty, and Ibrahim Lodi. Remember, in the previous chapter, we have read about the Delhi Sultans. So he is the one who have defeated the Delhi Sultans and established themselves in a manner which was very remarkable. Got it? That we need to understand. One thing that is very known about them, India is very proud for that, is the kind of structures that they have built. आप ताजमहल ले लो, आप रेड फोर्ट ले लो, all these big structures that are there, it has been made by the Mughals. Red Fort, we unfurl the flag on the 15th of August. Very unique thing. ठीक है, we are very proud of. I hope you all are very proud of the Indian flag, isn't it? I feel very proud. if I see my flag being unfurled, मेरे तो रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. I'm just sharing my feelings with you. Okay. So administration है, ideas of governments है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं that they have introduced. And Mughals, they had their decent. Students have asked me, ma'am, what is decent? Decent means that the family they belong to. ठीक है, इनके जो दादा परदादा थे, their ancestors who were there, they were also from very great families. Okay. And among these great families, what was very remarkable was that the families they belonged to was also very well known all over the world. मम्मी की तरफ से, फ्रॉम देयर मदर्स साइड, ठीक है, आप लोगों के नाना जी दादाजी होंगे ना, यू अंडरस्टैंड, फ्रॉम योर मम्मी के जो मम्मी पापा हैं दे आर नाना नानी, पापा के जो मम्मी पापा हैं दे आर दादा दादी. तो मम्मी के जो फैमिली थी, इट बिलोंग टू द गेंगीज खान. Genghis Khan, one of the greatest rulers. He had established the Mongol Empire. He has established the Mongols. Today there is a big country called Mongolia that was established by Genghis Khan. Okay, we need to understand that. Now, after establishing such a great empire, Genghis Khan, still his name is not taken with lot of respect in history. Why? Because he was a very cruel ruler. If he wanted to rule a place, he could not tolerate that anybody should stop him from doing that. Okay. So he have done it. He have achieved a lot of things. A lot of places he have captured. But here, one story I would like to share with you, that children, have you heard of the Great Wall of China? Yes, the greatest structure on earth. इतनी बड़ी दीवार जो उनको बनानी पड़ी. ग्रेट वॉल है ना, वॉल का मतलब क्या होता है? वॉल का मतलब होता है दीवार. So they have made this big wall. It was to stop the Mongol invasions. Genghis Khan, he always wanted to conquer China. So every time he used to interfere in the Chinese empire, Chinese emperor's work. So they tried to find out a solution how to stop them. So they built this great wall of China where they tried to stop the activities of Mongols, Genghis Khan. Okay, and from their father's side, they were the successors of Timur. Now, Timur is the person who had come to India and he ruled in India also, and he was the he ruled many Central Asian places, Iran, Iraq, Turkey. सारे ये जो हैं, ये सारे जगहों पे तिमूर ने कब्जा किया था. He conquered all these places and then he came to India. So always the Mughals wanted that they should be known by the name of Timur, but not by the name of Genghis Khan. Okay, so the Mongols were also linked with Uzbeks. उज़्बेक्स के बारे में भी हमने आपको डिस्कस किया है. उसके बाद यू माइट हैव सीन, एक पिक्चर था, मैंने कहा था ना, इट वाज लाइक अ ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ. द होल ऑफ द मुगल डायनास्टी वाज शोन इन वन पिक्चर. एक ही पिक्चर में पूरी मुगल डायनास्टी को दिखाया है. गॉट इट? तो हाउ डिड दे शो दिस मुगल डायनास्टी? तो सम पेंटर्स वेर देयर. They were asked to paint the greatness of, to show the greatness of these rulers. सारे, because is it possible कि दादा परदादा सारे एक फ्रेम में आ जाए? No. So these painters were there who have made the picture of these emperors, these rulers, and they tried to show, they tried to prove that the way they have established themselves, अकेले आदमी का काम नहीं है. It is the work of the whole family. All their ancestors, जितने भी उनके पूर्वज थे, they have thanked all of them. Okay, so this is one of the things. And Mughals were great fighters. Lot of military campaigns they have carried on. बहुत सारे battles, they have won many battles. And Babur is the person who have established the Mughal dynasty in India. First Mughal emperor, he came to India, and he succeeded the throne of Fergana. Fergana is a place in near Iran, and वहाँ पे 12 years old में he established himself. लेकिन because of certain invasion of certain Mongol groups, everybody did not like, na, in a very short period of time he became such a winner, so people did not like it and they asked him to move out from there. वहां से उनको बाहर जाने के लिए कह दिया. तो 1526 he by 1504 he captured Kabul. Where is Kabul? Afghanistan में. In Afghanistan, Kabul is there. He captured Kabul and he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi. The battle of Panipat happened and then he established himself. आप पिक्चर्स इसमें बहुत सारे दिए हुए हैं. मैंने आपको बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स दिखाए भी हैं in the previous videos. If you see these pictures, many things would be clear to you. आपको बहुत सारी चीजें clearly समझ में आएंगी कि, and mind it, these pictures have been made by the painters who existed in those times, who existed in those periods. उस समय जो painters हुआ करते थे, उन्होंने ये pictures को बनाया है. So you can understand these pictures are some very original pictures that have that show that how these people were ruling and how great these people were. Okay, so the pictorial things that are there, you need to understand that also. Okay, children. उसके बाद I told you to there are certain one table is there. Okay, table 1. You all have seen that table where Babur established himself 1526 to 1530. Babur had ruled. In 1526 he had defeated Ibrahim Lodi. 1527 में he defeated Rana Sanga. यहाँ पे one thing I want to make very clear. When he was trying to establish himself in India, Indian rulers stopped him. Why? Because Indian rulers at that time when Babur had come, at that time he was an outsider. ठीक है, उस समय वो बाहर से आए थे. Although technically he was not, बाद में वो इंडिया के हो गए, but when he was trying to establish himself at that time he was an outsider. So a lot of battles were there, but he proved himself in all the battles, and he was very very well received later on. ठीक है, but he was he could not rule for a very long time because of his sudden death. Okay, then we talk about Humayun. Humayun again one of the great rulers, but Humayun के साथ problem ये हो गई. One of the Afghan rulers, Sher Shah Suri, when Humayun became the king, he came and he tried to capture Humayun's territory. He captured Delhi. Humayun के साथ इनका battle हुआ, but Humayun could not sustain the battle. पहले तो 1530 to 1540, after the death of his father, he established himself. लेकिन after that, for 15 years, he has to leave India. Where did he go? He because there was this battle. When you see the table, you will find that there was battle of Chausa. Chausa में Humayun was defeated. Sher Khan defeated him in Chausa, and then finally in Kannauj. And then Humayun thought कि अभी उनको अपनी जान बचानी थी. So to save his life, what did he do? He has to flee to Iran. इनको ईरान भागना पड़ा. तो अभी he did not had anybody in India to help him. I am talking of Humayun. But see, children, I told you in the video also that when you lose hope, अगर आप अपनी उम्मीद छोड़ देते हैं, तो this is the biggest mistake that you do. He did not lose hope. Humayun went to Iran. He then again prepared himself, and then he came back. He came back and he defeated Sher Shah Suri and he became the ruler. बाय दैट टाइम ही वॉज वेरी ओल्ड, काफी उनका एज हो गई थी और इतना सारा स्ट्रगल भी था. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच स्ट्रगल. पहले यहाँ पे ही बिकेम द रूलर. He tried to establish himself, लेकिन he could not. Many people stopped him. तो all these things were there which was disturbing हुमायूं. तो बहुत दिन तक हुमायूं नहीं रह पाए. उसके बाद after the death of हुमायूं, one of his very trusted generals was बैरम खान. ठीक है, बैरम खान का नेम इज टेकन वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. No, try to understand one thing, that Bairam Khan's Akbar's name would be incomplete without the name of Bairam Khan. Okay, Bairam Khan's name was there. Bairam Khan, because Akbar at the age of 13 he became the ruler. तो 13 साल के बच्चे को क्या आता होगा? How can he rule? And how will he know what are the ruling techniques? So Bairam Khan was there all the time. Bairam Khan helped him, and military campaigns were launched because Sher Shah Suri and his sons were there, who were again trying to pose challenge to the Mughals. So their first thing was कि Sher Shah Suri and his sons should be stopped. सबसे पहले उनको रोकना है. So this was their biggest challenge. This was their first challenge that they wanted to achieve. They were very much successful in that also. Okay. एंड अफगान्स को इन्होंने क्रश किया. मालवा, गोंडवाना, ऑल दीज प्लेसेस वेयर देयर. मतलब अभी प्रेजेंट का जो मध्य प्रदेश है वहां के रूलर्स हैं. दे ट्राई टू स्टॉप हिम एंड सप्रेस. तो हिज ब्रदर वॉज देयर बिकॉज अभी आगे हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस किया है कोपार्सनरी. Okay, and then one more thing was there, that how the sons fought amongst each other. ये सारे आपस में ही डिसाइड कर लेते थे that how they would be, who would be becoming the king. भाई आपस में लड़ाई वड़ाई करके डिसाइड कर लेते थे. Got it? So they believed in comparsonary way of ruling. Okay. Primogenity. They did not believe in primogenity, that if the father has died, the elder son will become the ruler. No, that was the Indian tradition. So they found out a new tradition. They found out a new custom where the brothers, so many brothers were there. They will be deciding amongst themselves who would be the ruler. Okay, so 1568 में सिसोदिया कैपिटल चित्तौड़ was seized, and 1569 में रणथंभौर, means Rajasthan. His more concentration was towards Rajasthan. Okay, that is there. Now 1570 to 1585, पहले he conquered Rajasthan. Later on he came and he conquered. Later on he moved towards Gujarat, and all these military campaigns he was always successful. Akbar was one of the greatest rulers. We need to understand this. Okay, so he has ruled very properly, and always his brother, one of his brothers was always against him and always conspiring. क्या होता था ना, amongst the Mughal emperors there was a lot of conspiracy going on. Okay. Now, what was this conspiracy all about? Conspiracy means आपस में सोचते रहते थे भाई को क्या, because it was comparsonary. So always the brothers used to think कि जो आदमी throne पे बैठा हुआ है, how to put him down, how to take him down. Got it? So that is there. Akbar's empire, but Akbar kept on extending his empire. The way his father Humayun and his grandfather Babur, they have died very early. Akbar used to take good care of his health. So he was there, and then he conquered Gujarat, Rajasthan, all these places. Then he moved towards the South India, Deccan region. Got it? South ko we call the Deccan region. Na? He moved towards Deccan region. And but last years of his life ऐसा हो गया ना कि his son only revolted against him. So who was his son? Prince Salim. Okay, Akbar's son was Prince Salim, and later on he was called as Emperor Jahangir. Okay. So military campaigns started, lot of places which Akbar had conquered. It continued, and now it was carried on very forward, very effectively by Jahangir. Sisodia ruler, Mewar, the rulers from Mewar, Rajasthan, the rulers from Rajasthan, they were staunch Hindus. Okay, and they did not like anybody to come and conquer India. Got it? तो they accepted मुगल services. बहुत सारे रूलर्स थे जिन्होंने मुगल पावर को एक्सेप्ट किया. They did not oppose it. बहुत अपोज करने का कोई मतलब नहीं था. One thing more is there. You oppose that thing which is not favorable, which has got a lot of negative impact. लेकिन यहाँ पे लोगों को फायदा हो रहा था. People were living happily, अच्छे से थे. तो many people were not waging war against the Mughals. Some people were there, okay? So all these things were happening. Successful campaigns were there against the Sikh, the Ahoms, Ahmednagar. ठीक है, अहमदनगर towards the near Hyderabad. साउथ की तरफ ये बढ़ते चले गए, गोलकोंडा एंड ऑल प्लेसेस. इनको लगा कि राजस्थान कैप्चर कर लिया, गुजरात कैप्चर कर लिया. यू कैन सी द मैप दैट इज देयर. मैंने आपको वन ऑफ द वीडियोज आई हैव शोन यू द मैप ऑल्सो. So I hope you have done that. Try to find out these places on the map and it would be good. Then what happened? Jahangir son, क्या होता है ना, आप अगर कुछ गलत करते हो, if you do something wrong, it comes in front of you in the future. The whatever Jahangir has done to his whatever Shah Jahan has done to his father Jahangir, same thing his son has also done to him. कैद कर लिया इनको. Yes, because he mistreated his father, so the son also mistreated his father. Okay. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. You all know it very well. He built Taj Mahal in the honor of his queen. So he said कि you just sit in the जेल में बैठ के आप देखिए ये ताजमहल किस तरह से बन रहा है. And when you go to visit Taj Mahal ना, there are so many guides are there जो आपको ताजमहल दिखाते हैं. Those guides will take you to those places जहाँ पे ये देखिए यहाँ पे शाहजहां को कैद किया गया था, यहाँ पे बैठ के वो ताजमहल बनते हुए देखते थे and all that. They will show you that prison and many things are there. Interesting. कभी टाइम मिले, अभी तो बेटा नहीं जा सकते. Now तो the corona thing is going on. When the things get normal, let's see, let's hope and wish and pray. ठीक है, let's keep our fingers crossed कि things become normal. So they take you there. Shah Jahan continued to go to the Deccan and he ruled. Uzbeks, they now what happened after capturing the whole of India, now they wanted to capture other parts of Asia, all the nearby territories, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan and Safavids, Kandahar, Iran, Iraq, as far as सारा वो चाहते थे कि all these places should be included in India. Then Ahoms, Aurangzeb, by this time Aurangzeb had come. Aurangzeb was also trying to establish himself with the help of, और लेकिन औरंगजेब को इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई because his दादा परदादा ने उनके लिए काफी कुछ कर दिया था. They have already done a lot for him, so he doesn't have to struggle much. Okay, so that was Aurangzeb's history. देखोगे when you read the history, then you will come to know. And primogeniture and coparcenary I have already discussed with you. Then we understood that we try to understand that Mughal authority, they have always ruled for a very long time, and they were treated with lot of honor by the Mughals. अब जहां भी जा रहे थे वहां पे the people used to treat them with lot of honor. Initially there were a lot of people who opposed, but now people stopped opposing them. and Mughals were not very rude to the Indian rulers now. पहले क्या होता था ना, they were very rude to the Indian rulers, but now the time had come when they were very friendly towards the Indian rulers. And अगर कोई कहता था कि नहीं हमको आप छोड़ दीजिए, we will be respecting you, let's have proper relations. अच्छा, one thing I forgot to tell you, they got into lot of marital relationship. हाँ, बहुत सारे राजस्थान के रूलर्स थे, उनकी बेटियों के साथ इन्होंने they wanted to marry their daughters to the Mughals. दैट इतने पूरे इंडिया पे जो लोग राज कर रहे हैं उनके यहाँ पे अगर बेटी शादी होके जाएगी तो इमेजिन थिंक हाउ कंफर्टेबली शी वुड बी लिविंग. And every father wants comfort and happiness for the daughter, na? So they have tried that. There was two things that happened because of all this. One, though they had maintained good relations with the एक तो दे हैड गुड रिलेशंस विद द इंडियन रूलर्स. अनदर थिंग, रिश्तेदारी भी हो जाती थी एंड द फ्यूचर वाज आल्सो सिक्योर. यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन, this was all about introduction part we have done. I just wanted to revise it, that's why I stopped the content today. Then we have talked about the mansabdars and the jagirdars. Mansabdars were the people who were Turkish, who had come from, nahin, mansabdars were the people who were appointed by the Mughals. इंडिया में मुगल्स जो है वो अपॉइंट करते थे मनसबदार्स को. एंड Iranians, Muslims, Afghans, Rajputs, Marathas and other groups were there who were appointed as mansabdars. Mughals, of course they believed on the Indians, but the way they believed their ancestors and the people who were more loyal to them, उससे ज्यादा ये इंडियन रूलर्स को उतना नहीं रिस्पेक्ट दे पाते थे. ओके, सो दैट इज देयर. मनसबदार्स, जागीरदार्स, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट अबाउट देम. आप एक बार इसको देख लेना. नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी विल बी अगेन कंटिन्यूइंग दिस चिल्ड्रन. You can keep asking your questions. Why I'm stopping it here, because I want to discuss mansabdars and jagirdars in a very detailed manner, so that you understand each and every concept related to them. Got it? That's why I'm just stopping it here, and we will be continuing in the next class. Thank you, children, and all.